The Apple Vision Pro is not just a device. It's a gateway to a new dimension of human-computer interaction, poised to revolutionize the way we perceive and engage with the world around us. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve deep into the intricacies of this groundbreaking augmented reality, AR, headset, examining its technology, applications, and potential impact on various aspects of our lives. Let's start with the foundation of the Vision Pro, its cutting-edge hardware. At its core, the headset boasts a sophisticated array of components meticulously engineered to deliver unparalleled performance. High-resolution displays, powered by advanced optics, offer stunning visual clarity and depth, while integrated sensors, including LiDAR and depth cameras, enable precise motion tracking and spatial mapping. This combination of hardware prowess allows the Vision Pro to seamlessly blend virtual content with the user's physical environment, creating immersive experiences with unprecedented realism and interactivity. But the Vision Pro isn't just about raw power. It's also about comfort and usability. Apple's design philosophy shines through in every aspect of the headset's construction, from its lightweight and ergonomic form factor to its intuitive user interface. The headset is designed to be worn for extended periods without discomfort, thanks to features like adjustable head straps and breathable materials. Meanwhile, the intuitive gesture controls and voice commands make navigating the AR interface effortless, ensuring a seamless user experience for novices and experts alike. Now, let's explore the myriad applications of the Vision Pro across different domains. In the realm of entertainment, the headset offers boundless possibilities for immersive gaming, storytelling, and multimedia experiences. Imagine stepping into your favorite video game world, where characters and environments come to life all around you, or watching a movie projected onto the walls of your living room as if you were part of the action. With the Vision Pro, the boundaries between fiction and reality blur, opening up a new frontier of entertainment possibilities. But the Vision Pro's impact extends far beyond entertainment. It has the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from healthcare and education to architecture and engineering. Moreover, the Vision Pro is not just a tool for professionals. It's also a platform for creativity and self-expression. With a growing ecosystem of AR-enabled apps and development tools, users can create their own virtual worlds, games, and experiences, sharing them with others and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in augmented reality. From art and music to fashion and design, the Vision Pro empowers individuals to unleash their creativity and explore new forms of expression in the digital realm. Of course, no discussion of the Vision Pro would be complete without considering its broader societal implications. As AR technology becomes more ubiquitous, it has the potential to reshape how we interact with information and each other on a fundamental level. From enhancing communication and collaboration to blurring the lines between physical and digital spaces, Arkansas has the power to transform the way we work, learn, and connect with the world around us. In conclusion, the Apple Vision Pro represents a leap forward in the evolution of augmented reality technology, offering a glimpse into a future where the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds are more fluid than ever before. With its groundbreaking features, intuitive design, and limitless potential for innovation, the Vision Pro is poised to redefine what's possible in AR and usher in a new era of human-computer interaction. Whether it's gaming, education, healthcare, or creative expression, the possibilities are truly endless with the Vision Pro at your fingertips.